Hi, I am Basavara Stonagati from Basunivesh.com. Many salaried who may be contributing to their EPF, they try to check their EPF balance by logging to their UAN portal. However, many are unaware that you can check your EPF balance instantly without using the internet also. In this video, I am trying to explain two ways through which you can check your EPF balance instantly without using the internet. The first one is sending an SMS. Let me explain you about this method in detail. It is very simple. As explained in this image, you have to send SMS to this number, that is 7738299899. Afterwards, the SMS format should be in this way. The first word should be EPFOHO. Afterwards, you just give a space and then enter UAN. And afterwards, in which format you want to receive an SMS, accordingly, you have to choose your language. Currently, there are 10 languages are available, like as I shared in this image. First one is English, second one is Hindi, Telugu, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, and Bengal. And accordingly, you have to choose the format whatever it is given here. Take for example, in case of English it is ENG, in case of Hindi it is HIN, in case of Marathi it is MAR, in case of Kannada it is KN. So the format of your SMS should be EPFOHO space UAN and afterwards your language code of 3 characters. Take for example, if you want to receive an SMS in English language, then you just enter ENG. After sending this SMS, you immediately receive a reply where you will get your last balance, last transaction details, the balance available, and also the KYC status. This is the easiest way to get all the details instantly without using the internet. Now let me explain you the second method through which you can check your EPF balance easily without using the internet. It is very simple, giving a missed call to the number which I am sharing now. The number is 011-2290-1406. Once you dial this number, by default, the call will get disconnected. Afterwards, you will receive an SMS where the EPF balance will be available, last transaction details will be available, and along with that one, your KYC status also. I think these are the two best and easiest instant ways to get your EPF balance checked. If you don't have an accessibility to internet, this is the best way. Now do remember that to avail these two services, your UAN must be active. The second important aspect is your UAN must be linked to your Aadhaar, PAN and also bank details. And make sure that the number which is registered to UAN number, use that number only to utilize these two facilities. Otherwise, you may not get the SMS or else you may not get the balance details also. So for that reason, use always your registered number. I think I cleared or else I provided the complete details about how to check your EPF balance without internet also. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.